Hi, I'm Fabian from Sunbelt Transmissions. Thanks for stopping by today. Today we're going to be talking about the CVT stepper motor and the operation and how it works and how we test it here at Sunbelt. So let me talk to you a little bit about the stepper motor. The stepper motor here, we get a lot of questions by our clients. First of all, how does it work? How do you test it? And so with the reason and what it does, it attaches itself to the valve body. It touches the variator on the primary variator, and as the variator moves in and out, it senses the position, which sends a signal to the TCM, which tells it how much pressure to give to the primary pulley. So that's what the function is of the stepper motor. Now, as far as us testing it, I went ahead and I disassembled one for you. I wanted to show you how it is. What it is 4 coils, and they have 6 wires. It's got 2 up, 2 down, 2 grounds, okay? And if you look really close at this coil, which is a really neat design, the metal bracking that it's in is actually the contacts for the coil. So there's no wiring involved in this coil, which is really a smart design. So being that said, let's go ahead and do our first test. Here we have our stepper motor. We went ahead and we cut off a harness off of a valve body so we can do this test a little simpler. So we go ahead and put it in here. And then we're going to have our ohm meter. Let's turn it on. We're going to go ahead and set it to ohms. Go ahead and zero it out. Okay. So what a good reading is from here is from 10 to 20 ohms is acceptable reading for the coils. So let's go ahead and do our first coil. The middle wire here is ground, so we'll go ahead and ground it. And then here's our first coil. And it should be reading 15.5, which is within specs. Let's go ahead and read our second coil. We also have 15.5, which is also correct. Now we go to our other set of windings. We have our ground in the middle again. Let's go ahead and touch the next winding. It's at 15.4, so that coil is within specs. Let's go to the next coil, which is the last, and that's also within specs, 15.5. So at this point, this stepper motor has got good coils in it. The final step that we're going to perform is go ahead and test it. We made a little electronic test block that we made. What we have here is we have a 12-volt operating 12-volt system. It only puts out 5 volts. If you were to apply 12 volts to the stepper motor, you would burn the stepper motor up. Okay, so please do not apply 12 volts to this motor. What we have here is we have a step-on line. What they use this little breakout box and CNC machines to control the stepper motor operation. And then we have our little chipboard here that we made for on and off and to be able to adjust the speed of the stepper motor. So let's go ahead and try it. So we go ahead and plug it in. We're going to go ahead and initiate. And you can see how it went in the first time. We'll reverse the stepper motor flow. Now it comes out. It goes in. We can increase the speed a little bit, and we can make the stepper motor work even a little faster. What we're checking here is we're looking at the smoothness of the operation of the stepper motor and that the ratcheting sounds correct. And then we also want to always lock it in the lower position so when we turn it off. So this stepper motor actually works really good. Go ahead and turn our system off. We would go ahead and use this in one of our valve bodies that we remanufacture. This is a well-tested stepper motor. We did the winding ohm test first. Then we went ahead and did the actual controlling of the stepper motor, and it worked good. So thank you for stopping by Sunbelt today. And don't forget, if you like our video, please hit the button to subscribe at the bottom. Subscribe to us, and we'll keep doing these videos for you. Have a great day.